Communication. What is this communication? The normal English term tells you communication means exchanging our ideas between two people. That is talking. When two people are talking, that is known as communication. So here also same thing, means exchanging of options, facts, ideas, emotions by two or more person. That is known as communication. This is the definition of communication. Very, very important. Exchange of opinion, facts. Sum of all things what one does to create an understanding in mind of others. This is also next definition of communication. That is, I am communicating with you people. Now I am communicating with you people in such a way that through online mode I am communicating you, and I am able to telling you that whatever I am understanding, I am telling you to you people, so that I am telling the ideas whatever I have to through this management and entrepreneurship to you people. That is what communication. That is sum of all things what one does to create an understanding in minds of others. That is what communication. It is a process of passing information. That is, I pass information from whatever I know to you people. Correct understanding and right interpretation from one person to another person. This is known as a definition. These are all the definitions of communication. This question is very important for 3 marks. Very, very important. They'll ask you what is communication, definition of communication, and importance of communication. Next one is importance of communication. So what is this importance of communication? Importance of communication rose from a fact that earlier business were concerned only on a technical and formal structure. According to this, communication, that is main importance of communication raised from the fact, that is, it is raised from the fact that business was concerned only on a technical and formal structure based. Earlier when they started this management, they thought in that management communication was important. According to from communication, they learned that technical and formal structure is very, very important to establish a big organization or a small organization. Technical and formal structures are important. Hathorne's experiment, it was realized that every organization requires a structure, is a social system involving the interactions of people working at different levels, and a proper communication is required to goal of an organization. Organization's existence from birth to continuing. That is, according to Hathorne's experiment, he compulsorily told that communication among the employees are very, very important. Without communication, none of the organization can achieve its goal. That is very, very important, right? Without communication, one person being an employee is a subordinate of that team. If you have a problems or if you have any good ideas, you have to communicate with the people above you, so that whatever the ideas you're having, that will be come into existence, that will come into existence, and your subordinates who is working before you, they can take that ideas to the higher subordinates. Like this, whatever the goal of an organization can be achieved. So Hathras is telling that the structure, whatever the organization requires, very, very important thing, social system structure, in that communication is very, very important. All the levels, communication of persons are very, very important. You take lower level, middle level, higher level, any level, communication between the subordinates are very important for an organization to come to existence and to get its goals, or to get its get its all the goals of an organization to be done, and you can achieve 100% profit from that. This is what Hathras is telling. So this is what the importance of communication. Next we will go to the next important topic, coordination. What is this coordination? It is orderly synchronization or fitting together of an independent efforts of individual to attain a common goal. That is, I need to achieve a goal of an organization. I need to put this something idea which I have to get a good output of the organization. How? Mainly important coordination, that is known as synchronization or fitting together. For example, you people will be having certain groups in your classes, 5 to 6 groups will be there, where each group will be interested in some or the other thing. One group will be interested in singing, one group will be into technical field, one group will be into gaming sector, anything. So you people all sit together, you people discuss together, synchronize with each other, and you can achieve a goal of whatever the plan you have put. You can achieve a goal from that. That is, you can achieve everything. This is known as coordination. when the particular group is there, coordination between all the members is very, very important. How this coordination can be done? This coordination, very important thing. This coordination can be achieved through communication also. Very, very important thing. Communication is very, very necessary for this. Okay. So coordination is nothing but synchronization or working together to achieve a particular goal. For example, in a hospital, proper synchronization of activities like nurses, doctors, ward attendants, lab technicians to give a good care of a patient. All should work together to give a good care of a patient. That is what proper synchronization. This can be considered as an essential part of all managerial functions of planning, organizing, directing, and this is actually selection. This will come, both are same. All whatever the plan, whatever the main important four important steps you take in an organization, in all of the four important managerial function, that is functions for different management, all those coordination is very, very important. Whatever the step you take, either it is planning, organizing, directing, whatever the four important managerial functions are there, all those functions, this coordination is very, very important. How that is important? Look here, this is very, very important in all managerial levels. This is coordination is very important. In planning, how it is important? Performs its function of a planning by coordination of interacting the plans of various departments. That is what I sit together. One, for example, technical field is there. So technical field, they will think of about the algorithms, they think of about the programming sectors and all. So these people will discuss with testing people, and these people, and again they have to discuss with documentation people, and first very important thing, requirement people. Like this, all people, for example, this people have one plan, this people have one plan, testing has one plan, and the final all group, other group has one plan. All have to sit together. That is coordination is very important. So requirement team has to coordinate with the technical team, technical has to coordinate with testing, documentation. This is what in the beginning they will make a blueprint of an work, whatever you people have to do. So to do that also in beginning also the coordination is very, very important. Next one, in organization, coordination is required in grouping and various activities to the subordinates and in creating departments. You know, in organizing means, in organizing we had studied in the first topic certain levels of organizations are there, first level, second level, middle level. That is what you are framing the different levels in an organization. You are starting to organize the team. In planning, just you'll make a blueprint of the plan whatever you are doing. That is whatever, for example, you'll start a small business or you will start and you'll become an entrepreneur, whatever the management you are doing, you take a blueprint for that. Then for that you have to organize, that is you have to frame a team. That is which team has to work under this, which team has to work under this, which people have to work under, who will be the manager of this team, who will be the manager of this team. Like that you have to frame the groups and various activities, not only framing the groups, different activities to the subordinates and creating the departments will be done in this organization. And very important thing, coordination is very, very necessary. That is communication and coordination. That is, if you coordinate between the people, then you can achieve a good goal in an organization. Next one, in directing. Okay, coordination is required to take effect of this particular action will have on other departments and executives. That is, I am directing. Directing is nothing but a person who is mainly involving, he will be directing, or he will be called, he will be mainly the first person, or he will be the main person to take care of all the activities. So for example, HOD of one department has to take care of department activities, then HOD of another department. Like this, different people will be there who take case of each and everything. If coordination is there between all the departments, entire organization goal can be achieved very easily. Then in controlling, coordination is required coordination is required. Manager evaluates operations and checks whether the performance is conformity with the desired results. This is at the final stage in controlling, that is managerial level or higher subordinate level. this coordination is important. That is, coordination between the managers, coordination between the higher level people is required, so that he can evaluate the performance of the particular person who is working in an organization, and based on that you can achieve the proper goal of your organization. So coordination is always in all the different functions, that is in planning, in organizing, in direction, and in controlling all these functions. Coordination is important. Okay. So